Paying off credit card debt fast. There are several strategies to deal with credit card debt if it is weighing you down. The approach that works best for you will depend on your level of debt, your credit history, and what will keep you motivated to continue paying off your debt even when you feel like giving up. Although there isn't a single best strategy to pay off credit card debt, there are some tried and true strategies that may enable you to reach balance-free status. These strategies can be divided into two main groups: paying off each loan separately or combining all of your obligations into a single monthly payment. In order to assist you choose which approach is ideal for you, let's examine 4 well-liked ways for paying off credit card debt, along with each one's benefits and drawbacks. A debt repayment method known as the Snowball method focuses on paying off the account with the lowest balance first. You continue to make the minimum payments on your other accounts while allocating your larger payments to that balance to avoid incurring late penalties, damaging your credit, or even defaulting. List your account balances in ascending order from lowest to highest to get started. Plan your spending such that all of your credit card accounts, aside from the one with the lowest balance, receive the minimum payment each month. Put as much extra cash as you can toward paying off that debt each month. Put the money you were using to pay off that account toward the account with the next lowest balance once the balance on that account reaches zero. Continue until all outstanding amounts on your credit cards have been paid in whole. The debt snowball strategy works well since you'll probably notice results right away. You get momentum once you secure a few fast victories. This can encourage you to continue working toward your objective of debt freedom. The interest you are being charged is not taken into account by the snowball approach. You might pay more interest utilizing the snowball method than you would with another debt repayment plan if your larger obligations also have the highest interest rates. Therefore, if your goal is to reduce your interest payments while paying off debt, choosing a different repayment strategy can be a better option. The debt avalanche strategy directs your attention to paying off high-interest loans first while only maintaining the minimum payments on your other accounts. Put the funds you set aside for it toward the debt with the next highest interest rate when the account with the highest interest rate is settled. The method should be repeated as often as required until all of your credit cards are paid off. The ability to reduce interest payments is the debt avalanche method's main benefit. This approach can be a good one for you if you're worried about how much interest you'll accrue while paying down your debt. You might find a debt repayment plan that saves you money enticing. It can take some time to settle your highest interest account if it also has a sizable balance. And that can be detrimental to your efforts to pay off your debt because it might mentally demoralize you. Ideally, with a reduced interest rate, personal loans used for debt consolidation consolidate several account balances into one loan with a single monthly payment. After paying off your credit card debt with the loan money, you make monthly payments on the personal loan. Even if you have strong credit card interest rates are frequently greater than those on personal loans. If you meet the requirements, you might be able to acquire a debt consolidation loan at a cheaper interest rate than what the credit card issuers are offering. A debt consolidation loan might also make your finances simpler. You will just need to make one payment every month to cover all of the consolidated debts rather than several. Additionally, you can choose the debt consolidation loan that best suits your budget thanks to some of them having variable repayment periods. A debt consolidation loan can be a practical choice for paying off your credit cards because some lenders will send the loan payment directly to your creditors. To be eligible for a debt consolidation loan, you must fulfill the lender's qualifying standards. You might not be able to secure a loan if your credit history includes a few blemishes. Alternatively, you might only be eligible for an interest rate comparable to what you now pay on your credit cards. It is possible that you won't be approved for a loan large enough to pay off all of the debts you wish to combine, in which case you would only be allowed to consolidate a portion of your obligations and continue making payments to other lenders. You might be able to transfer amounts from one or more accounts to another card using a balance transfer credit card. These credit cards frequently offer 0% introductory balance transfer APR if you transfer the balance within a specific window of time following account opening. You can avoid paying interest if you settle your account in full before the intro period expires. You might be more motivated to pay off your debt quickly if you are aware that you only have a short window of time before the initial offer expires. Although eliminating your debt's interest charge may appear to be the wisest course of action, Your introductory offer may be cancelled if you make payments past due. Additionally, the promotional time is short, and if you still owe money at the conclusion of it, your account will start to accumulate interest at the card's standard APR for balance transfers. When you transfer balances from other cards, you can also be charged a balance transfer fee, and you can only transfer amounts up to the card's credit limit. This payment plan might not be the best choice for you if your debt is greater than the card's credit limit. Furthermore, even if you can transfer your entire load, if it is close to the credit limit on your new balance transfer card, it can be detrimental to your credit scores. Choose the debt repayment strategy that works best for you. If partnering with a nonprofit credit counseling group will increase your chances of